Hey guys, it's Tony. So there's another quick addition to my last video that I just did about NIO a couple minutes ago. Another reason why I am pretty bullish on NIO, I do think it might drop back down to around maybe the $21 level. It did create lower lows, but Shanghai and Hong Kong are actually initiating an only Shanghai, Hong Kong license plate for your cars. And the thing is, when you buy an EV, an electric vehicle in China, you automatically get that license plate for Hong Kong or Shanghai. Whereas if you have a gas-powered car, you won't. You have to be added to a lottery. So that is definitely something that, to be very bullish on NIO. And also, China has an extremely high smog issue all throughout China, mostly in Hong Kong and Shanghai. But they know this, right? They're a communist economy. So if the president or whatever his name is, he wants to move towards something, they're going to fix it. And this is why I think that NIO is 100% backed by the government. And in a couple of years, I do think NIO can be worth an extremely high amount of money. Definitely because they're being backed by the Chinese government like 100%.